Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as types of structural isomerism. Yesterday we take the what is isomerism, and isomerism have the two main types. You know that the first called is structural isomerism and second is called as what here, the geometrical isomerism. Sorry, second is called as stereoisomerism. So what is a structural isomerism? We also discussed yesterday. Today we discuss the types of structural isomerism. So we started a question here that is called as a types of what here, the types of structural isomerism. Types of structural isomerism. ठीक है बेटा, you know what is a structural isomerism? The two or more compound which has the same molecular formula but different structural formula called as what है, structural isomerism. क्लियर है बेटा, एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको समझाया. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म हैव द फोर मेनली द फोर टाइप्स हियर. फर्स्ट कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर, द चेन आइसोमेरिज्म. व्हाट हियर, द चेन आइसोमेरिज्म. सेकंड इज कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर, द पोजीशन और पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म. Third is called as the functional isomerism. Clear beta? Next is called as what here, fourth. Fourth is called as what here, the fourth called as the metamerism. What here, the metamerism. And the fifth is called as what here, the tautomerism. Clear? So we discuss the one by one. What is the definition of the following types of the structural isomerism? This question asks examination. Explain the types of isomerism, 5 marks, or 2 marks. Define the chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism. What here, the metamerism and tautomerism. We discuss one by one definition. First we discuss here the what is the chain isomerism. So we discuss here the first point here. That is called what here, the chain isomerism. So what is our definition of chain isomerism? So the two compounds which have the same molecular formula but different chain of carbon skeleton. The two compound, what here beta? The two compound which have same molecular formula, what है बेटा, same molecular formula but different what here, chain of carbon length. So two compound which have the same molecular formula but different chain of carbon length. It means the one compound contain the 2 carbon and second compound contain the 4 carbon. So the compound which has the same molecular formula but what here, the different carbon skeleton or chain, or what here, chain of the carbon length, called as what here. So it is called as what here beta, chain isomerism. We take the example here. So the example of chain isomerism is, so example we take here, CH3 CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. How many carbon? The given compound contains the 4 carbon. So 4 carbon, it is called as the what? It is called as the butane. How many carbon? Or N-butane. Why N called as normal chain? It does not contain a branch. So it's butane. And this butane also change as CH3 single bond CH attached to the CH3, here attach the CH3. It is also called how many carbon? It also contains the 4 carbon. It is called as the isobutane. Why iso? It contains what here, branch. This is called as the isobutane. So both are the compound with the same molecular formula. How many carbon? It contains a 4 carbon, means C4. It contains how many hydrogen? So it contains how many? 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus what here, the 4 called as a 10, C4H10, here also the C4H10. So the two compound which have the same molecular formula, but what here, the different carbon length, straight chain, it contain a 4 carbon, it contain a 3 carbon, so both are different. So the two compound which have the what here beta, same molecular formula but different carbon length, it contain a 4 carbon, it contain 3 carbon, straight chain. So it is called what here, the chain isomerism. It means in the chain of carbon, if the carbon contain 4 and 3, both are what here, the chain isomerism. Both are different nature, but it's a chemically same molecular formula but different what here, carbon chain length. It is called what here, the what, chain isomerism. क्लियर है बेटा? देखो यहाँ पर कार्बन 4 है, यहाँ कार्बन 4 है, H10 है, यहाँ H10 है, कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चर पूरा सेम है, सिर्फ चेंज कहाँ पे, कार्बन की लेंथ यहाँ पे 4 कार्बन है, 3 कार्बन है. सो कंपाउंड विच है द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बट डिफरेंट व्हाट हियर, द कार्बन चेन और व्हाट हियर, द डिफरेंट चेन ऑफ द कार्बन लेंथ. एक में 4 एक में 3 कार्बन है, दोनों भी क्या है, इट इज कॉल्ड चेन आइसोमेरिज्म. क्लियर है बेटा? नाउ वी टेक द सेकंड पॉइंट हियर. व्हाट हियर सेकंड पॉइंट, that is called as the positional isomerism. What here, the positional isomerism. So the positional isomerism is defined as the two compound which have the same molecular formula and have the same functional group, but the position of a functional group is different. So what we take define here, the two compound which have same functional group, what here, same functional group, but position of functional group is different. So it is called as, what here, the positional isomerism. ठीक है बेटा? यानी कंपाउंड का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्म सेम रहेगा, फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी सेम रहेगा, लेकिन जो पोजीशन है किसकी बेटा, फंक्शनल ग्रुप की क्या रहेगी, अलग रहेगी. इसे क्या बोलेंगे, पोजीशनल आइसोमेरिज्म. फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक द एग्जांपल हियर बेटा. व्हाट एग्जांपल वी टेक हियर? सो CH3 अटैच टू CH, क्लियर, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH, here CH2, here CH3. First of all, it contain a how many carbon? 4 carbon means C4, or how many H? 3 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. C4H, what here, how many? 8. So first of all, this double bond is called as what here, the member of alkene. Clear? So alkene is a functional group here, alkene double bond. ठीक है? So when alkene are number here, the carbon number first, second, third, fourth, this double bond are shifted to this carbon. So what we get here, we get CH2. Clear beta? This CH2 and this H are shifted to this side here, this H are shifted to this side. So what we get, this CH2 plus 1H, what we get here? So we write here the CH3, this CH as it is, double bond this CH and single bond CH3. It contains how many carbon? It also contains the 4 carbon, 8 hydrogen, but the position double bond what here? Start from carbon number 1, 2. Here start from the carbon number 1, 2, 3. It means the two compound which have the same molecular formula, C4H10 is called what here? MF. MF called as molecular formula. It is also called MF called as molecular formula. But and the function group also same. Here alkene is a function group, but the position of what here, the function group is different. यहाँ पे कहाँ पे है बेटा, कार्बन 1 2 पर है, यहाँ पर 2 3 पर है. The position is changed. So the two compound which has the same molecular formula and same functional group, but the पोजीशन ऑफ फंक्शन ग्रुप इज डिफरेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट हियर द बेटा पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म। यानी अगर फंक्शन ग्रुप की पोजीशन चेंज हो गई, वो कार्बन नंबर 1 पे था 2 पर गया या 3 पर गया, तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे बेटा हम लोग पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म। इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर 1 ब्यूट और ब्यूट 1 ENE IUPAC name, it is called what here but 2 ENE 1 change into 2, it is called what here positional isomerism। क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आएगा बेटा आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग इज अ विच आइसोमेरिज्म। तो चेन आइसोमेरिज्म में क्या चेक करना पड़ेगा आपको बेटा, सबसे पहले कार्बन लेंथ, अगर 4 कार्बन और 3 में चेंज हो रहा है तो ये क्या है चेन आइसोमेरिज्म है। अगर फंक्शन ग्रुप कार्बन नंबर 1 पर है वो 2 पर जा रहा है तो इसे क्या बोलेंगे बेटा हम लोग व्हाट हियर द पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म। ठीक है, इस तरह के 2 डिफिनेशन याद रखो बेटा। पहले स्टार्ट क्या किया क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म। द स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म द 5 टाइप्स, चेन आइसोमेरिज्म, पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म, फंक्शनल आइसोमेरिज्म, मेटामेरिज्म एंड टॉटोमेरिज्म। We discuss one by one. First we started here the chain isomerism, the compound which has the same molecular formula but what here but different chain of carbon length, or the carbon skeleton contain what here different carbon called as what here the chain isomerism. Example here, it also contain the molecular formula what here the C4H10, it's a MF molecular formula, it is also MF molecular formula but the carbon chain is different, it is N means a normal chain. Here branch we take the what normal N-butane isobutane, it contains straight chain 4 carbon, straight chain 3 carbon, it is called what here chain isomerism. Next here positional isomerism, it means the 2 compounds which have the same molecular formula, same functional group but the position of the functional group is different। यानी अगर एक अल्कीन ये फंक्शन ग्रुप है बेटा तो कार्बन 1 से स्टार्ट होता है तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट कहाँ से 2 से हो रहा है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट बोथ कंपाउंड द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, सेम व्हाट हियर द व्हाट द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला बट द function group is changed. Here the position of function group is changed, here 1 carbon, here 2 carbon, that's what is called what here the positional isomerism। तो क्वेश्चन कैसा आएगा, आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स, चेन आइसोमेरिज्म, फंक्शनल आइसोमेरिज्म और जो भी आएगा। तो चेन के लिए आपको याद रखना है अगर 2 कंपाउंड है, एक कंपाउंड में कार्बन 4 है एक में 3 है तो वो क्या है चेन आइसोमेरिज्म है। कंपाउंड फंक्शन ग्रुप सेम है, कार्बन नंबर 1 पर हो रहा है और बाकी वही फंक्शन ग्रुप चेंज 2 पर हो रहा है तो इसे क्या बोले 2 या 3 पर, तो क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग पोजिशनल आइसोमेरिज्म। ठीक है बेटा, इस तरीके से हमने क्या देखा टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म, पहला फर्स्ट सेकंड। अभी थर्ड फंक्शन आइसोमेरिज्म, मेटामेरिज्म, टॉटोमेरिज्म हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। ओके, तो डिफाइन याद रखो, अच्छे से क्वेश्चन आता है आपको। डिफाइन द चेन आइसोमेरिज्म विद एग्जांपल और डिफाइन द फंक्शनल व्हाट हियर द पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म विद एग्जांपल। तो कोई भी एग्जांपल आए तो आपको अच्छे से याद रखनी है। ओके, इस तरीके से हमने क्या स्टार्ट किया था स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म विच हैव द मेन द आइसोमेरिज्म विच हैव द मेन टाइप्स chain first the structural isomerism, second stereo isomerism। the structural isomerism with the mainly 5 types, chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism और what here next here tautomerism। ओके, इस तरह के 2 फिनिश किया, रिमेनिंग 3 जो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।